Thanks for joining us in making of Irish soda bread scones. Recipe found in Tea Time in Gettysburg, collection of recipes from the Civility Tea Room. First, you place the flour in your bowl. Then you add the remainder of your dry ingredients, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, the caraway seeds. You mix that up with your brown sugar. Then you add your diced cold butter. You want to be sure it's cold. You mix that in with a pastry blender to resemble the consistency of oatmeal. Some of your butter will be lumpy, which is okay. Next, you're going to blend your liquid ingredients, the egg and the buttermilk. Blend that with a fork so it's well blended. Now before you add that, you want to add your raisins and your nuts to your dry ingredients. Mix those into your dry ingredients mixture. Then add your liquid mix. Now here is the key to making great scones. Do not overwork the batter. Just want to mix it so the ingredients are all moistened. And you're going to have to get in there with your hands and finish the job. After your ingredients are well moistened, you want to form a ball. Once you form the ball, you want to place it on a cutting board because you're going to cut your circle into 8 triangles. Should be about an 8-inch circle. So you separate these triangles and place them on a cookie sheet or a baking stone.